Looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift? Level up your love game with the coolest smart gadgets that'll steal their heart. From smart mugs keeping drinks at the perfect temperature to hand massagers that melt away stress, these gifts are as tech-savvy as they are thoughtful. This Valentine's, don't just say it, show it with a gift that combines love and innovation. Faith you can wear. Every day a symbol of devotion, this cross bracelet blends natural stones with spiritual strength. Meaningful gift, perfect for Easter, Christmas, Father's Day, and more. Premium quality. Handmade with genuine tiger eye gemstones. Comfortable fit. 8-inch elastic band for easy wear. Wear your faith with pride. Looking for a Valentine's gift as timeless as your love? Flowers fade too soon, but love should last forever. This forever glass, rose with butterfly and heart crystals, glows with warm LED lights, symbolizing everlasting love, hope, and beauty. A gift that never wilts. Comes in a luxury gift box, perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, birthdays, and more. Love that lasts forever. Show your love with an eternal rose and a sparkling angel wings heart necklace. Carefully preserved to stay fresh for years, the rose is paired with a stunning necklace symbolizing eternal love. Elegant and easy gifting, beautifully packaged and ready to surprise your loved one for any occasion like Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or birthdays. Perfect for your wife, girlfriend, mom, or anyone special. Eternal love day and night. No matter the distance, this sun and moon necklace symbolizes an unbreakable bond. Love that shines forever. I love you in 100 languages. A hidden message inside the pendant reveals your devotion in a magical way. Perfect soulmate gift. Includes matching necklaces, heartfelt message card, and elegant packaging. Adjustable leather rope for men, stainless steel chain for women. Wear your love always. Sleek, smart, and secure. Wallet holds 10 cards and cash. Slim design with easy access slots, metal case for 5 cards, and a leather-wrapped money clip. Built-in slot keeps your AirTag secure, so you never lose your wallet. Side switch smoothly ejects cards, while a magnetic flip cover ensures stability, shields your cards from unauthorized scanning for peace of mind. Comes in an elegant box, perfect for Father's Day, birthdays, and special occasions. Turn your shower into a spa in seconds. Long days leave you stressed, and a quick shower doesn't feel relaxing enough. These aromatherapy shower steamers release luxurious essential oil scents, from calming lavender to energizing grapefruit, helping you unwind at night or refresh your mornings. Made with natural ingredients, cruelty-free and perfect for gifting. Breathe in, relax, and enjoy your personal spa experience. Real roses fade, but your love never will. Fresh flowers last days, but true love deserves something eternal. The Eternity Rose, a real rose dipped in 24-karat gold, captures love in its most timeless form. A gift that will never wilt, corrode, or fade. Comes in a luxury case with a matching gold-dipped vase, making it a stunning display piece. Give a rose that lasts forever, just like your love. Struggling with bad lighting while doing your makeup? Dim or uneven lighting can ruin your perfect look. This LED makeup mirror with 70 adjustable lights and 3 color modes ensures flawless makeup in any setting. Plus, the 10x magnification helps with every detail. Rechargeable battery, 360-degree rotation, and foldable design make it perfect for home or travel. The ultimate beauty essential, because perfect lighting means perfect makeup. Love candles but hate the smoke and soot? Traditional candles can be messy and unsafe, especially in apartments or homes with kids and pets. This flameless candle warmer lamp melts candles safely and evenly using heat, releasing fragrance without smoke or soot. Plus, the dimmable light and timer function make it effortless to use. Stylish design fits various candle sizes and makes the perfect home decor gift. Enjoy your favorite candles. Smoke-free, mess-free, worry-free. Looking for a Valentine's gift as timeless as your love? Chocolates disappear. Flowers fade, but a meaningful gift should last forever. The trendy crystal soulmate necklace is a stunning floating heart design with Swarovski crystals, symbolizing your unbreakable bond. Hypoallergenic and beautifully packaged, it's the perfect way to say you're my forever. Give her a gift she'll cherish forever, just like your love. Memories fade, but your love story doesn't have to. Phones get lost, pictures get buried, but your special moments deserve to be cherished forever. The DIY Adventure Book lets you preserve your love story with photos, notes, and keepsakes. Featuring a retro hardcover design, customizable pages, and a keepsake pocket, it's the perfect way to relive every adventure together. Make this Valentine's Day unforgettable, one page at a time. No green thumb, no problem. Real flowers fade, and caring for plants can be a hassle. The Lego Mini Orchid brings everlasting beauty to your space. No watering needed. Featuring delicate peach blooms, lush green leaves, and a stylish terracotta pot, This stress-free floral masterpiece is perfect for home or office decor. A thoughtful gift for plant lovers, builders, and anyone who could use a little springtime joy year-round. Soothe your eyes, unwind your mind, anywhere. Tired eyes from long hours of reading, working, or screen time. Eye strain, migraines, and fatigue make it hard to relax. The heated eye massager combines soothing heat, 40 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, with 8-zone airbag massage to ease eye strain and reduce headaches. Plus, enjoy your favorite tunes via Bluetooth. While its foldable, portable design makes it perfect for travel or home relaxation. Perfect gift for anyone who needs a bit of self-care. Ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Wrap up your love in the softest, most romantic way this Valentine's Day. Struggling to find the perfect, meaningful gift for your loved one? Want something that's both cozy and special? This reversible love blanket is perfect for cuddling with its jacquard shaggy Sherpa on one side and super soft Sherpa on the other. Ideal for snuggling up on chilly nights, it's warm yet lightweight, and its heartfelt design will add a romantic touch to any space. Plus, it's machine washable and durable, ready for endless, cozy moments. A limited edition Valentine's Day gift that speaks from the heart, perfect for any romantic occasion. Soothe your neck and shoulders in comfort. Struggling with pain? The Snailax Neck and Shoulder Heating Pad provides full coverage with 6 adjustable heat settings, quickly warming up for soothing relief. Its hand-free design and adjustable waistband keep it in place while you relax or work. Perfect gift for anyone needing relaxation. Machine washable and safe with auto shutoff. Elegant butterfly and rose mug. This handmade enamel glass mug features stunning 3D butterfly and red rose designs. Perfect for tea lovers. The matching enamel spoon adds a charming touch, making it ideal for gifting on occasions like Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, Christmas, or birthdays. Safe and stylish. Made of eco-friendly, sturdy glass, it's a healthier alternative to plastic and ensures safe, enjoyable sips for any drink. Multifunctional organizer for him, all-in-one storage, phone charger, key holder, wallet stand, watch and glasses organizer, everything in one place. Easy to assemble, simple setup with included instructions, so it's ready to use in minutes. Premium wooden design, high quality wood with a smooth finish and engraved text for a stylish retro look. Perfect gift for him, thoughtful and practical for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, Father's Day, or Christmas. Knee pain, slowing you down? Get instant relief with heat and vibration therapy. 5. Vibration in 3 heat levels, 104 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit for deep, soothing comfort. Cordless and rechargeable. Use it anywhere, anytime. 3-in-1 design. Works on knees, elbows, and shoulders. Lightweight and travel-friendly. Relief on the go. Easy controls and auto shutoff for worry-free use. Get back to moving pain-free today. Looking for a Valentine's gift that lasts as long as your love? Fresh flowers fade too quickly, but your love deserves something eternal. This glass dome rose, wrapped in romantic LED lights, symbolizes everlasting love, a gift that will never wilt or fade, just like your feelings. Comes in a beautiful gift box. Perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, birthdays, and more. Surprise her with a timeless symbol of love. Searching for the perfect way to say I love you? Words fade, but a meaningful gift lasts forever. This 925 sterling silver heart necklace, engraved with I love you for always and forever, is a timeless symbol of your love. Perfect for Valentine's Day, birthdays, or any special moment. Comes in a beautiful gift box, ready to make her heart melt. Give a gift as lasting as your love. Tired of weak, tinny sound ruining your vibe? Most speakers distort at high volume or struggle to fill a room with rich, immersive sound. But with dual drivers and advanced audio tech, this Bluetooth speaker delivers powerful, balanced sound without distortion. Plus, pair 2 together for a true stereo experience. It's IPX5 water resistant, lasts up to 20 hours, and even has dynamic lights that sync to your music. Upgrade your sound anywhere, anytime. Craving barista quality espresso on the go? Instant coffee just doesn't cut it, and bulky machines aren't travel friendly. Meet Sira Plus, the portable espresso maker with one-touch brewing, rapid heating, and 20-bar pressure for rich, velvety crema. Anytime, anywhere. Brew with ground coffee or capsules, enjoy up to 200 cups per charge, and even charge in your car. Take cafe-quality espresso wherever life takes you. A scent that speaks volumes and a message that'll make him smile. Looking for a fun and thoughtful gift for the special man in your life? Want something that combines humor and relaxation? This premium scented candle with black cedar, juniper, and sandalwood is perfect for a relaxing atmosphere. Featuring the witty phrase, "You're the best thing I've ever found on the internet," it's guaranteed to make him laugh and unwind. Crafted from all natural wax and essential oils, it promotes a calming environment free of black smoke. A perfect Valentine's Day gift. whether for your boyfriend, husband, dad, or best friend. Light it up for a cozy, stress-free space. 2-in-1 phone stand and Bluetooth speaker. Enjoy louder, clearer sound while watching videos, listening to music, or taking calls. Hands-free convenience with seamless Bluetooth connection. Easily adjust the height and angle of the stand for a perfect view, reducing neck strain while working, cooking, or cleaning. Compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry for travel, work, or home use. Silicone anti-slip base ensures your phone stays in place. Works with iPhones, Android phones, tablets, and more. A unique gadget for anyone. Ideal for Valentine's Day, birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. LED flashlight gloves. Perfect for hands-free lighting, these adjustable LED gloves are a game changer for DIYers, outdoor enthusiasts, or anyone who needs extra light while working. Great gift idea for dad, mom, or anyone special on Father's Day, Mother's Day, birthdays, or Christmas. Waterproof and comfortable. Ideal for fishing, hiking, camping, and more. Soft, breathable material ensures a perfect fit for both men and women, includes extra batteries and a screwdriver. Multifunctional grooming kit for men. This 6-in-1 trimmer offers versatile grooming for all your needs. Face, beard, nose, pubic area, and more. With 5 guide combs, it's designed for precision and comfort. Waterproof and shower-friendly, perfect for wet or dry use. Easy to clean with a detachable blade. High performance features. Stainless steel blade, 2 speed modes, 90 minutes runtime, and an LED display for battery life. Ideal gift for him. Great for birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, or Valentine's Day. Struggling to find the perfect Valentine's gift for him? Most gifts end up unused, but men love practical and versatile tools. This multi-tool keychain packs a bottle opener, screwdriver, glass breaker, and more. Perfect for outdoor adventures or everyday use. Durable, lightweight, and compact. It's the ultimate Valentine's gift he'll actually use. A gift that's as strong and reliable as your love. Surprise him with the perfect blend of romance and utility